If you're looking to access Hulu, ESPN Plus, and Disney Plus with the Disney Bundle, it's an easy and cost-effective way to enjoy all three services. Here's how to get started. Head to the Disney Bundle website or app and select the plan that suits you, either with or without ads for Hulu. Sign up by creating an account or logging in to your existing Disney account. Once subscribed, you'll gain access to all three platforms: Hulu for shows and movies, ESPN Plus for live sports, and Disney Plus for family-friendly content. To access them, download the respective apps, Hulu, ESPN, and Disney Plus, on your preferred device, log in with your account details, and start streaming. You can use the same login for all three services since they're linked under one subscription. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Enjoy endless entertainment with the Disney Bundle.